like lake, ponds, river, ocean, etc. Yes, what is the water pollution? Addition of harmful substance. Addition of harmful substance. You have seen that in water we are throwing the garbages, we are throwing the things in the water. Factories water is also coming, and they are factories people, they are adding their lime to the water also. All wasted material which is coming out from the factory, they are throwing in the water, and wasted that water also they throw in the where in lakes, ponds, river, here and there. Like this way we are polluting the water. We are using our throwing garbages, washing our clothes, washing animals, utensils, these all things we are doing, and we are polluting our water. So first you will know what is the water pollution. What is water pollution? Addition of harmful substance. What is the water pollution? It is the addition of harmful substance into the water bodies. Into the water bodies like lakes, river, ponds, ocean, etc. Okay. Now how we pollute the water? So people wash their clothes. What does people do? They wash their clothes and utensils in the river and pollute it. So people wash their clothes and utensils in the river and they pollute the water. Yes, wash their clothes and utensils in the river and they pollute the water. Drain from city and town. Drainage water, wastage water from our houses coming out. So drain from water and city and town carry the dirty water and mixed with soap and chemical and release them to the water. So from houses, from city or town, from their houses, all drain water comes out and waters, that soap water is there, all this thing, unclear water, and what does we do? We throw them into the river. We release them into the river. So in this chemical, soap and chemicals are also mixing in that water and it is released in the river. Like this way we are polluting our water. Third one is what? Chemical from and fertilizers flow from agriculture. Your agriculture field is there, so chemical and fertilizer flow from agriculture field into a water body. It flow from the agriculture field into a water body. Like this way what happened? Drinking pollute the water. So drinking pollute water can cause disease. So this pollute water you will eat, then you will drink, then what happened to you? It will cause varieties of disease, various diseases, no? What are the diseases? Unclean water if you will drink, typhoid, yes, jaundice, and it will make you sick. That will make you sick. So pollute water is also harmful for aquatic animal also. So how we are polluting water, you have seen that. What is the pollution? First you are knowing that what is the water pollution? Harmful substance that added into the water, river, ponds, ocean, etc. That is known as water pollution. Yes. Now, how we pollute the water? How we pollute the water? So, people, what does people do? People, they wash their clothes and utensils. Yes, people wash their clothes and utensils. Where they wash? They wash into the river and they make it but dirty, pollute water. They pollute the water. And second thing what you are seeing, that fertilizer and chemical, yes, it flows from the field, from your field, agriculture field, and it mixed into the water body. It mixed into the water body. Third thing what you are seeing, that drainage water, all the drainage water in city, in town, what happened with that drainage water? It flow and it releases into the river or lake. Yes, and it also pollute the water. So in that drainage water, so many chemicals are there, soaps are there. Yes, these all are polluting our water. So if we will drink that pollute water, then what happened to you all? Nowadays we are using AquaGuard water, filter water we are drinking. Why? So protect us from varieties of diseases. So if you will drink the pollute water, then various type of disease will be occurred to you. What are that disease? Jaundice, typhoid, etc. disease will be occurred. So it is also make you sick. If you will drink a pollute water, it will make you sick. And this pollute water, it also harm to the aquatic animal. What is the aquatic animal? Animal that lives on the water, you are knowing. That is known as aquatic animal. So it will harm the aquatic animal also. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to save our water. No, we have to not pollute our water. So we have to save our water. If we will save our water, we will not pollute our water. So we will save ourselves. Yes, you will save yourself, as well as you will save the animal that lives on water, lives in the water. They are known as aquatic animal. So it is clear to you all, you are knowing that how water is polluted. So what is the water pollution? Once again you can say, the water pollution is the addition of a harmful substance into the water body like ponds, lake, river, ocean, etc. So number 1 point I have written here. Next one, number 2 point, chemical. Chemicals and fertilizer. Fertilizer flow from agriculture field, and it also pollutes the water. Agriculture field and it pollutes the water. Yes. And third point is drains from cities and towns. Cities and towns carry dirty water, dirty and mixed dirty water them into river. So it is clear to you all. So in this way we are polluting our water, and this polluted water, it will be harmful to us if we will drink that polluted water. What harmful? Various type of disease will occur. What are the diseases? Jaundice, typhoid, etc. And this polluted water also, it will affect to the aquatic animals that lives in water, that is known as aquatic animal. It also affect to the aquatic animal. So today it is clear to you all. You have learned about the water pollution. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Next day I will start other topic. Okay, thank you everyone.